103. 103, yeah. Yeah, they tell you have a white baseball cap on. Not at the time. But they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light blonde hair, light brown hair. We had him on deck. Looked like
Once we moved from Highway 5 to Highway 1, the roads got a lot narrower, much like if you're driving in the country. No shoulder, wide enough just for you. Still plenty of potholes. And another exciting thing that was added was it's a route for semi-trucks. So being almost as wide as a semi-truck and then coming up on a semi-truck on these 2-lane highways, it gave me a little bit of anxiety. When I was coming up to one, I would check my passenger mirror, look to see how close I was to the shoulder, and then I'd check my driver's side to see how close I was to the middle lane, and then just try to get as close as I could to the shoulder as I could without going over the side, and just hoping that we had enough room in the middle between the semi and myself, because we're both, I'm sure he's doing the same thing when he's passing us. And it just seemed like there was just, I don't even know if there was enough room to even stand in between both vehicles as we passed each other. And it was quite an experience. After that, that was probably the only issue that we had. The drive was beautiful. When we switched from Highway 1 to 12 to go to Bahia de Los Angeles, the potholes were a little worse. The scenery was just incredible. Like, once we were getting close to the water, just seeing the views of the water and all the mountains in the area, it was just incredible. And then once we got to Bahia de Los Angeles, there was a place in town where we were able to get filtered water, drinkable water. Probably cost us about, I don't know, I think about $15 for probably 50 gallons of fresh water, maybe 60. I don't know how empty we were. But the guy was very nice too. He had a long enough hose to reach the trailer. He just had me pull around and park facing traffic on the curb. And the roads were wide enough for a trailer. I'm pulling a 30-foot travel trailer, so I was able to go around, make a U-turn, and get back on the road very easily. And then after that, where we were staying at Campo Arquelio, not too far from the town. And this campground, it's amazing. It's really nice. They have hot showers. They have toilets there, flushable toilets. There's a restaurant there. The staff is very friendly, very friendly. The food it was delicious. The prices, they're a little bit cheaper than the U.S. Like, I got a chai latte this morning. It was $4. They have some really good smoked fish and shrimp, smoked pork. We got smoked pork tostadas. Got 3 of them. Very filling. Very, very good. They were probably about $13 or $15 a plate for that. Worth the money, I think. I really liked it. They also do laundry there too. Just have to ask the staff over there. It's a service. It's probably like $10 a load, wash, dry, and fold. But they have everything that we need. It was really nice. So enough of me talking. I'm gonna start showing you around. Show you why we enjoy waking up here every morning. And we're here for 7 days, and we'll be able to see the sunset through the windows when we wake up. The sun rises, and just waking up to friendly people. But anywho, let's take a look. probably the best day yet that we're gonna have here in Bahia de Los Angeles. No wind today, it's supposed to be 71 degrees. Now we're gonna get the paddle boards out today. We're gonna go do a little bit of grocery shopping too. We did some shopping when we got here on our first day. And now we're gonna go get a little bit more. Just gotta get some eggs, get some tomatoes, and a couple plátanos too. Look at this breakfast. We got pancakes, which is just mashed up banana and eggs. Eating a little healthy this morning. And we got some toast. Yum yum.